Hello and welcome. Andrew Goodman here with a bit of a different video today. Just this morning, Seraph, who own Affinity Photo, an Affinity designer, an Affinity publisher, announced their spring sale, their 2022 spring sale with 50% off. That's right, 50% off all their products, all their software, all their apps. Now, before I go on, just to be clear, I don't work for Affinity, I don't work for Seraph, I have no contacts there. I just love using their software, I love using their apps, and I just thought I'd jump on today very quickly and bring a quick video just letting you guys know that it's up to 50% off all their apps now, which is an absolutely fantastic deal. The last time they did this much of a discount was at the start of the COVID-19 pandemic. Since I've been following Seraph and Affinity, they do have sales throughout the year, most notably on Black Friday and Cyber Monday, but the past few years it's only been 30% off. So if you've been sitting on the fence for a while, thinking about getting any of these great apps, now is the time. I personally own all the apps apart from one. I own Affinity Photo on the iPad, of course I do. I own Affinity Designer on the iPad. On the Mac, I own Affinity Photo, Affinity Publisher, but I've yet to get Designer. So as soon as this video is over, I'm going to be jumping on the computer and purchasing 50% off Affinity Designer, and then I'm going to have the whole range of the Affinity software. If you didn't know, Affinity Photo is for photo editing and photo manipulation, and it's a bit like Adobe's Photoshop, but no subscription. Affinity Designer is a lot like Adobe Illustrator, and it's for vector artwork and graphic design. Affinity Publisher is a bit like Adobe InDesign, and it's for page layout and magazine layout, and it's really good too. So as I said, I don't work for Affinity, I don't work for Seraph, I have no connections there. I just seen this morning and I thought I'd just make a quick video just to tell you guys, if you're sitting on the fence, now's a great opportunity to get 50% off these brilliant apps. Affinity Photo in the UK here is currently sitting at £8.99, and in the United States it's $9.99. The sale will end on the 31st of May, so that's around 2 weeks from now, and if you are watching this video and it's past that date and the apps and the software is back to full price, don't worry, it's still great value at the full price, but it's really good value at 50% off. They do have sales throughout the year, most notably on Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So if you're watching this video around that time, maybe just wait a wee while longer till they come out with that sale. So there you have it, the Affinity Spring 2022 sale. There's palm trees on their marketing artwork for the sale. Is that not more of a summer thing, palm trees? Anyway, doesn't matter. The important thing is 50% off all software and apps. So there you have it. As always, please like this video, please subscribe, please feel free to comment below. Comment below and maybe what you might be buying in their spring sale. Myself, as soon as this video is done, I'll be getting Affinity Designer on the Mac. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.